My name is Hazen Hackett, owner of Legacy Furniture. I got into woodworking just by seeing a video and it sparked my interest, and I tried it and I couldn't stop. Met my fiance and she told me we needed to follow through with it and make a career, and we love it. My favorite part of the process when creating a furniture piece is putting it together with the client. Their ideas are always so different than the last one we did, so it's never a repeat process. It's different every time. It's a lot of fun watching their vision come to life instead of mine. What sets us apart from other furniture stores is you design your piece of furniture and we build it catered to your needs and your size, and everything's your vision, not ours. I like working with several different types of woods. Walnut is definitely my favorite. Has the most character in my opinion. It's timeless. It's got reds, golds, browns. It varies so much. A lot of other species stay kind of stagnant. Walnut has a lot of different characteristics in every piece. But there's a bunch of wood species you can pick from. When you come in to place an order, depending on the wood species, we source some of it here in Grand Junction. If it's not here in Grand Junction, we make sure we stay within Colorado for all of everything we do. Stay as local as possible for all of our products. My favorite thing about building these tables is it's not just my ideas and me building things, it's me building your idea and what you want for your space. They're supposed to be, the center of your home. So it's exciting watching other people's ideas be built by my hands. In the next few years, I'd like to see us just keep growing steady and organically like we have been. I'd like to build some conference table for some larger companies, but kind of stay what we're doing. It's working well. You can find us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Legacy Furniture LLC. Our website is www.legacyfurniture.llc. Phone number 970-250-4448. We're right next to Sam's Club at 1048 Independent Plaza, Unit A106. Come check out our showroom. Can't wait to work with you.